What's up, Bender fam? Dylan from Trail Benders Overland here. It's a beautiful day to check out the newly updated TuffStuff Alpha tent. There's some new features, bells and whistles. Let's get in depth. First thing you'll notice are the new straps. They've added straps for front and back, added protection on the road, as well as these lock straps. Easy to unlock and unstrap. We have our Velcro that we're used to. And while the tent comes with the Velcro straps set up like this, it's a little bit of a pain to get them out that way. So we just do it easy, just like that. We've never had an issue. Get the straps in the back. Something that we got some questions about on YouTube from our first Alpha video, that was the pre-production model. There's two ways the tent can open, the right side and the wrong side. This one opens on the right side. Push it open, simple, opens by itself. Then you'll want to grab this strap here, this stretchy bungee. That is what helps hold the fabric in when the tent closes. Now let's open it up. Push this back. The ladder now comes with it's Velcro, a cover to protect the rest of the tent fabric. It's the same awesome ladder that we're used to on the Alphas. Open it up a bit and pull it down. To do this ladder properly, you'll want to start with the bottom first. And just go out as far as you need. There you go. This ladder cover is easy to just slide over to the side. You could even pull it off right here if you wanted, but just leave it there. It's okay. In the tent, you'll find your bag with your 6 window and door awning poles and 2 bags. We have one big pouch that has this cool, I don't know what you call that, a vent or a spot for water and moisture to escape when it's closed if you put your dirty shoes or something in there. And then another one with some smaller pouches, sandals, flip-flops, smaller shoes, no boots, or accessories, whatever you want to hang outside the door. Grab those poles. We'll set up the door in one of the windows. Now, something to note is the awnings for the windows are easy to roll up. So something like this where you probably want your window open, but if the roof of the vehicle or something's in the way, you don't have to use these. It's not going to flap around because you can roll it up. If you need a covered entrance, grab the pole. There's an opening here. There's 2, one for the rainfly awning and one for if you wanted to use the door as an awning. So they only slide in maybe an inch, 3/4 of an inch. Pull tight and in the little eyelet, just like that. We'll do that on the other side. On the other side, you saw the window rolled up. Over here, I'll show you how it Velcros. If it's a storm outside or cold, you want to keep it closed. That stays nice and closed. You can also use the poles here and hold it open like an awning. The bags slip in really easy, just like that. You can leave them here when you close it. Let's check out the inside. It's the same roomy Alpha that we've always known. I'm 5'10". I have a lot of headroom right now. I'm stretching my arms all the way out, and I still have another 1.5 foot space. For changing inside, I'm on my, like I said, 5'10", on my knees. You've got a lot of room in here, high ceiling, and I bet you could even lay this way. Oh, windows all roll up. Pretty much every flap opening, window, door will have these tie downs so you can keep these things nice and tight inside and out. There's 4 of these flaps on all 4 corners. The windows, it's a pretty standard no seam screen. We've never had issues with those. Over here, you'll see a wire here and one down there by the mattress. This is for your USB plug. These are light controls. We'll plug that in. We'll get into this in a second. You'll see another flap right here. This is the other side of that Velcro flap that we showed you on the outside. This is the opening necessary for the hinge on the tent. This is just to help keep the cold air out, water, just an extra layer of protection. Up here, you'll see a vent. This is full-time open. This is just how you help make sure that you can always breathe and helps moisture get out. The back here looks like it'd be squishy, but it's the hard shell right on the other side. There's some Velcro, helps keep everything tight. Now let's check out the lights. See our light strip here. Any USB battery will power these. We have the strip here and also 2 underneath. Power on. We can cycle different colors. We have daylight balance, tungsten or amber, and then a mix of the 2. You also have different brightness levels. Pretty easy to figure out. These struts are strong. We've absolutely never had an issue with this hard shell coming down in the wind, and we've been using the Alpha since the very beginning. But in case you happen to be camping in a hurricane, it comes with this little strut brace that snaps on right here, and then there's really no way that's coming down. Under the mattress, you'll find this bolt here. Now this is the bolt that holds the railings to the tent, the mounting rails. You can actually pull those rails off and through this hole mount straight to the truck, which is how we mounted our original Elite tent to our Ram 1500. I've also seen a couple people take these rails and twist them 90 degrees for mounting the other direction. Then there's this Velcro here that helps keep your mattress down. Now I also will say, this mattress, if you've seen any reviews about it being stiff or hard, they have completely fixed that. This mattress is 100 times better and it's comfy to sleep on. One of the coolest parts about the Alpha tents, got a skylight. Doesn't look like much right now, but let's pull the rain fly back and show you how cool this is. Putting the rain fly up is easy. Just pull these poles back out. And when you do this, don't feel too bad if you lose the little rubber boot on the end of that. We've lost probably all of them now. Pull these down, undo the Velcro. There's a couple straps here that you'll need to undo. Just roll it up. Once you get to this point, get inside. Open up your sunroof if you haven't already. And then like I said, every opening has little straps that you can hold things open nice and tight with. How cool is that? Amazing for stargazing. If you want to keep the bugs out, pretty easy. Just undo these little straps, zip it shut. Being a new tent, it has that new tent smell. So you might want to leave it open for a few hours when you first get it. Now I told you, just like the rain fly, this door is able to be propped up. You'll want to use the inside holes, and it works just like the rain fly and other windows. Instead of eyelets, there's a little kind of pouch that hooks into, just like that. Now let's pack it up. You can pack it up with the rain fly rolled up, but We'll let it back down right now. This big long strap here is there to help you pull it down. Just like that. And then you just stuff the strap back in. Oh, and I almost forgot. To pack away your bedding, your sleeping bags, pillows, just stuff them in the back half of the tent so that this platform misses them, and you're good to go. Just like that, your tent's all packed up. And that's the newly updated Alpha rooftop tent from TuffStuff Overland. Now, if you didn't know, being a hard shell tent, not only is it quicker to set up than a soft shell, it's also a little better for those MPGs. Check the description below for a link. We sell all our merch, cool hats like this, and the gear that we use. Shop trailbendersoverland.com. If you have any questions at all, let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit that like button and consider being part of the Bender fam by subscribing to our channel. This is Dylan from Trail Benders Overland, out.